All right, so we're gonna go for a single arm tricep extension in the lengthened phase, setting up the cable at a high point, grabbing our cable edge, gripping it just with the thumb and the index. We're going to stand in a nice split squat, putting weight on the opposite leg, dropping down the elbow. We're gonna breathe out as we extend the elbow, flick the wrist, keeping the wrist alignment neutral and finding the lat tension and our tricep synergy, as the tricep will be the mover in this exercise and the lat be the stabilizer. Breathing out as we push forwards, breathing as we release, making sure that we are not letting our shoulder round or come forwards as we extend the elbow. We might need to limit the range of motion slightly to find an ideal stable position with the shoulder instead of letting that shoulder round as we finish the extension. See how far you can get in this exercise without compensating at the shoulder. And again, make sure that you feel your lat and your tricep work together. Hope this was a helpful video, and I hope to see you soon.